The Honeywell Home X2P Programmable Thermostat makes it easy to control your home's temperature with simple scheduling options and reliable heating and cooling management. What's in the box? In Product Overview, Honeywell Home X2P Programmable Thermostat. Mounting plate, wall screws, and user manual. Product Overview. Installation. Turn off power to the HVAC system at the furnace or breaker before installation. Remove the old thermostat, label the wires, and take a photo of the existing connections for reference. Verify that the wiring matches the X2P thermostat diagram. The X2P operates on two AA batteries and can be hardwired via the UWP wall plate. Remove the existing base plate and position the UWP on the wall. Ensure it is level, mark the screw locations, drill holes, install the wall anchors, and secure the UWP with the provided screws without over-tightening. Route the wires through the back of the UWP and connect them to the correct terminals based on your HVAC configuration. Install the AA batteries in the back of the X2P thermostat, attach the thermostat to the UWP, and restore power to the HVAC system. Complete setup using the thermostat's on-screen menu to configure programmable settings. Installer setup. How to use. Set time and date. System setup. System operation. Fan operation settings. Program schedule. Adjusting program schedules. Active recovery. Program schedule override, temporary. Program schedule override, permanent, reminders, alerts, battery replacement, waiting for equipment, smart features, learns your HVAC system's heating and cooling speed to determine when to start operation. It automatically adjusts timing to reach the programmed temperature at the scheduled time while maintaining comfort and efficiency. Automatically starts heating or cooling before the scheduled time to reach the desired temperature when the program changes. It ensures the home is comfortable at the exact set time while improving energy efficiency. Allows users to set separate temperature programs for weekdays and weekends. It automatically adjusts heating and cooling settings according to daily routines for improved comfort and energy savings. Operates using 2 AA batteries for reliable performance and allows optional hardwired installation through the UWP wall plate. This provides flexible setup options and backup power support. Provides advanced settings to customize HVAC system type, temperature limits, and cycle rates for accurate thermostat performance. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Honeywell Home X2P Programmable Thermostat. See you at the next one.